Channel 3 early warning weather with meteorologist Mark Dixon.
All right, while most of the state right now is dry, that will soon change. We are tracking areas of rain, heavy at times, with even some embedded thunder working into extreme northwestern Connecticut. There you can see we're zoomed into around Salisbury Point south through Kent. So this storm squall track showing the arrival times here of this line of some heavy rain again with some flashes of lightning. Norfolk 1222, Goshen 1229, for instance, Bantam around 1235, Torrington reaching the Route 8 corridor around 1241 this afternoon. So put this into motion for you. Show the direction of travel again basically is toward the east, and on the statewide perspective, things elsewhere across the state fairly quiet, but this rain extends into southeastern New York, so this will also be heading into western portions of the state south of Kent through Fairfield County as well. Temperatures today quite a difference compared to 24 hours ago because of the clouds and some rain. Southwestern portions of the state yesterday were quite warm. Now we're about 10 to 15 degrees cooler. Conversely, where we've had some sun, Putnam actually 2 degrees warmer than this time yesterday. Here's a look at the actual numbers. 59 Willimantic, also for Hartford, 57 for Meriden. Lower 50s in the Northwest Hills, 50 for Bridgeport, and as well right now in Groton. So our ICAM view from Hartford showing fairly extensive cloud cover. We'll see more clouds than anything as the afternoon progresses. There's our view from New Haven. You can see the visibility not ideal as we look toward the horizon there, and as well from southeastern Connecticut, our view from New London showing essentially overcast skies as of now. So we're tracking some steadier rain off to our north. That line again that's heading into southeastern New York and into northwest Connecticut currently. So that's going to continue its trek eastward. And then later on this evening and tonight, we'll see another chance for some rain as a cold front off to our west eventually heads in our direction. But right now we've got this boundary that's kind of stalled out across the region, separating cooler air from warmer air. So today we're certainly on the cooler side of that, with temperatures essentially hovering in the upper 50s and maybe even low 60s for some spots over the coming hours. But that really mild air down to our southwest doesn't make it to Connecticut for today. So here's a look at Futurecast. Once we get through this initial round over the next couple of hours that we're tracking currently, say at 4 o'clock, we'll be watching areas off to our west with more development. So around the evening commute and points thereafter, perhaps in northern Connecticut, we could see a little bit in the way of some shower activity. I think it's while we're sleeping tonight that we'll hear the pitter-patter of the raindrops and perhaps a rumble or two of thunder. By 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, most of the rain is winding down, but it won't create a day that will feature a lot of sunshine. Cloud cover will linger. We may see some intervals of sun through the course of the afternoon. So certainly Saturday afternoon looking to be the better part of the weekend, because as we head toward daybreak on Sunday, a more substantial storm system arrives. That means more rain for us over the second half of the weekend. So here's Sunday 7 a.m. the rain moving in, and notice by later in the day we've got those yellows and those darker shades of green indicating some moderately heavy rain by say 7 o'clock in the evening. So that's when the steady heaviest of the rain will be falling. Then it's out of here for early next week. And right now Monday looks dry. We're going optimistically dry right now for Tuesday and Wednesday. Some of our models are actually hinting that it may not be the case, but we're going to keep it dry and sunny for now. Shoreline highs this weekend, cooler Saturday than on Sunday. Speaking of tomorrow afternoon, even with a little sunshine, we could get close to 70 inland, mid-60s for the shoreline, but with the clouds and the rain that we're expecting on Sunday, high temperatures in the lower 60s.